Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a minute, with everything that's been going on with the coronavirus and all the madness that's been going on in the world. I've been sidetracked. So today I am cooking some shrimp and chicken parmesan for dinner. So why don't you guys stick around? I already went ahead and washed my chicken with some white vinegar and clean my shrimp and wash it with some white vinegar. I am going to put on the most basic seasoning on my chicken because the Parmesan sauce has too much salt for me and I really don't want my food to be too saturated with sodium. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some garlic powder on my chicken. I love garlic powder. I could never have enough. Sprinkle a little bit of it on the shrimp as well. And I love some red pepper, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of that on there. I know that's not the traditional way, but I'm doing it the way I like it. So we're going in with a tidbit of garlic salt for the chicken and a smidge on my shrimp. Alright, so my oil is completely hot. Alright, so the chicken is all finished. So we're going to put the chicken to the side for now. And we're going to get started with our shrimp. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put our shrimp in. I'm sure everybody has a different way of cooking theirs, so this is just my way. Sprinkle a little thyme in it. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the chicken in. So I have three different types of Parmesan that I'm going to use with this meal today. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and add the ragu, roasted garlic, garlic Alfredo. Then go ahead and add the regular Alfredo sauce. We like a lot of Alfredo sauce in this house. And then we're gonna leave this and let it, cook itself down. We have the pot on for the spaghetti. Alright, now that our pot is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put our spaghetti in. Because my family loves. And we'll be back when it's ready. Okay guys, so this is my final meal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.